All right, we said we'd come back this morning and answer some more burning questions from overnight. Let's have a crack at that. Why did we change the website? Well, on Tuesday, I was in phone discussions with people who claimed that they owned the March for Australia. And then on Wednesday, when the announcement got dropped, quite frankly, we weren't ready for it, because on Tuesday, they said that they were going to have another phone call with us before a decision was made about what to do. That phone call didn't happen. The announcement was dumped, and we scrambled to hit the reset button on the website. The website was still set up to promote the October 19th event. That's why it had all the capital cities listed there. No one had any intention of hijacking any other state or any other town or any other organisation that's running these events. That wasn't going to happen. It was purely a reset. The big question here is, why didn't I get the phone call that I was promised before the announcement was dumped on Wednesday? What happened to that? And what happened to the people who said that they owned this thing and were in control of it that suddenly aren't? Nobody seemed to have a problem with any other state having their own website or promoting the event through their own portal. But for some reason, everyone got offended about Queensland doing it. Okay, so we've been labelled the merch event, and that we're going to sell merch, and that we're going to try and grift the money off people. Let's be clear here. We haven't taken a single fucking dollar off anybody. We haven't asked anyone for any money. None of you have been approached by us asking for a single fucking thing. But you've come and asked us for stuff, like this fucking awesome hat I'm wearing. Everybody wants one. The t-shirt demand has been off the charts. The hat demand has been off the charts. Everybody wants something. Hundreds and hundreds of messages. We have zero capacity to sell anything. Fuck, we barely have time to fucking get to the gym in the morning. But you want stuff. And so because people have asked for shit, we made sure that we were legally structured so that we could add in a third-party Australian business to potentially supply you guys with what you're asking for. We just dotted the I's and crossed the T's, because in this world, you need to have your ass covered legally. Why did you block me, Shallowchal? Well, it's pretty fucking simple. If you called me a cuck, you called me a traitor, or you wanted to see my missus get railed by 3 black guys, well, you crossed the line, cunt, not me. If you're gonna be nice, I'll unblock you. But if you don't want to be nice, you can stay blocked. Always happy for respectful interactions, but there's some shit that I won't tolerate. Although I did call Monica Smith a cunt for using my head in her videos to promote her event on November 30. That shit crosses the line as well. Why did you give away Turning Point Australia hats at your event? Well, they sent us a bag of shit to give away to people. The hats, that's it. That was all that was in the bag. No, there was no fucking money in there. And they said, if you want to give these away to people, please feel free to do so in memory of Charlie Kirk. Well, we used it as an opportunity to get people to register on the website as well, and thought, well, fucking great hats. I still see people wearing them today. I know everybody thinks that someone's bought Queensland. One Nation bought it, Rennick bought it, Palmer bought it, Turning Point bought it, the Jews bought it. Fucking hell, man, seriously, go for a walk and get some fresh air. I must be a Jew, look at my nose, look at it. I don't actually think I've ever met a Jew, although according to you guys, I wouldn't even know if I did meet one. What's our plan? What happens next to promote March for Australia around the country? You should go, you should turn up, fucking no doubt about that. Doesn't matter where you are. Support your events, support your local organisers and get along. If you're in Queensland, we'd love you to come to our event. Come to the giant barbecue. Come and have fucking bacon. We're going to give away bacon. Because fuck the Islams, fuck them too. Fuck everything that isn't Australia first. He's angry. Must be the roids. Or maybe it was too much glass barbecue, you guess, cunt. If you've got more burning questions for Queensland, drop them in the comments. Happy to fucking answer. If you want to get blocked, you know what to do.